Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa have a fried fish head here. So I already pre-fried, yeah. You basically marinate it with a little bit of fine salt and white pepper and then a bit of cornstarch and fry it until it is fully cooked and charred. Then I have some pickled veggie here, some ginger, garlic and some tofu. I'm going to combine all this here to make fish head pickle veggie soup. So first of all, we are going to saute the ginger and also garlic, give it a little bit of oil and heat up the wok. Once the oil is heated up, we put in the garlic, ginger, saute for a while. Then you want to saute your pickle veggie as well. Anything pickle is good to have it has a direct contact with the hot oil so that you can remove the earthiness of it, yeah, if any. I could have added some big chili here, but I ran out of red chili. Next thing, very simple, let's add in some stock. I'm using ikan bilis stock today. I pre-cooked ikan bilis stock. Basically, very fast. Just put your ikan bilis into a small tea bag and boil it for the props about 5 minutes, enough. You can put a few pieces of ginger if you like, yeah? Now we're going to season this. First of all, some fine salt, some premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Let me add a little bit more soup. Yeah? Actually, this is just water. So we're going to bring this to a boil before we continue. Alright, the soup has been boiling for the past about 3-4 minutes. Now, the longer you boil, the more sourish it's going to be. I don't need the soup to be too sourish. So it's really up to you, okay? Now I'm going to put in the tofu. Our fish we can just put towards the end because it's already fully cooked, yeah? And I would like to preserve some of the charness from the fish itself. Just to balance the sourish flavor and salty flavor, I'm going to add in a little bit of rock sugar. This is definitely optional. I know some of you doesn't like to add sugar to any of your dishes. Up to you, no problem. This is your kitchen, your call. I do put a little bit more pickle veggie today because I'm trying to finish off that particular pack. You don't need this much of pickle veggie, seriously. Half of this is also can. Will do the trick. So let it boil for another minute or two, then we will add in the fish. This is after another 1 minute plus. I'm going to put in the fish. The pre-fried fish, yeah? Some may ask, can you just put it raw fish? Can, no problem. I choose to put it fried fish because I prefer some extra flavor. Even when I go and eat the fish head noodle or fish head bee hoon, I will always prefer a deep fried fish head. So I'm just going to let this continue cooking for another minute or two, then this dish is almost done. So this is after another 1-2 minutes. Basically our fish is done. Right before serving, I'm going to off the fire, give it a few last dashes of white pepper, done. Give it some red chili, it will look so much nicer, okay? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page, you click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. You can put in some tomato if you like also, totally optional. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.